Welcome to Drops on LS. So today we're talking about this particular testnet called the Humanity Protocol Phase 2. Okay, so in this video I'll be showing you all you need to do and all you need to know as regards to this particular testnet. So you ensure you watch this video till the end. Okay, so if today is your first time joining us or you're yet to subscribe to our channel, please you do well to support this new channel by subscribing to it. Okay, like and also share our video as well too. So now for a brief introduction, this Humanity Protocol testnet, they have raised up to $50 million so far for this particular testnet. So we are in the phase 2 of this particular testnet. So as of last 2 months we did a video on this particular airdrop, so that was the phase 1. So but today we'll be looking into the phase 2 part of this particular testnet. Okay, so now all the links I'll be moving through is going to be down in the description. Just go over there, click on it, and then you follow along. Okay, so now coming over to the first link. So once you click on the first link, this you're going to get to the main dashboard of this particular testnet. Okay, now for the first timers, or you have to connect here using your Metamask wallet. Okay, so once you connect using your Metamask wallet, you're going to be asked to choose a username, and then you also connect your email as well too. But for me, I already have an account here, so I'll just go over here and log in with my email. Okay, so for those that have been here for the first phase since, then you can just log in using your email as well too. So I'll just do this and then head over to my email and then copy my code and then paste it here. Okay, so I'll just do this quickly. So as you can see, I'm done with the logging in. Okay, so now so once you connect using your Metamask for the first timers, you're going to get to this dashboard. Okay, so now once you come over here, you just have to click on these things. Okay, so this is more of like a tutorial for the first timers on how to navigate through this particular system. So let's just head over and click on all these things. Okay, so we are still on with this. Okay, so now I'll complete all these things now. All right, so this particular phase 2 is almost similar to the phase 1. Okay, so I'm almost done with this. So now I'm done with this particular. So now this is the main dashboard for this particular phase 2 Humanity Protocol testnet. So now here we are to complete all these quests. Okay, so there is a lot of them we are going to do. We just have to start with one. Okay, so here we have the daily one, the referral, the social, and then we have the upcoming ones. Okay, so but let's just start with this first one. Let's click on this claim. Okay, so we'll just claim this immediately. Now for these ones, so we have to do this every 5 hours. You have to come back here and then claim this point. Okay, so that's one of the daily tasks we have to do. Okay, so and then the other ones that the upcoming ones, we're still going to know how to do these ones when they come up. Okay, so now another one is to come over here and click on the social, but I will still come back to that one. Let's just do this first one. Let's head over to Faucet. Okay, click on this Faucet. Okay, click on Faucet. So you're going to be taken to this particular website for us to claim the Humanity Testnet Faucet token. Okay, so once you just come over here, head over to your Metamask wallet and then copy your wallet address. Okay, so I'll just do this now. So copy it and then come back here and then paste and verify that you are human. Okay, and then claim your point claim the token. Okay, so I'll just do this verification fast. Okay, so let me complete all these things. Okay, all right, so just like I said, that this phase 2 is just similar to the phase 1. Okay, so most of what we are doing here is what we did in the phase 1. Okay, so you just have to do this thing and then be part of what is going on in the system. Okay, so that's how we position ourselves for this particular airdrop. Okay, so I'm done with this, so I'll just head over here and then send this token. Okay, so all right. Okay, so I can't claim for now because this is a new account, so I still have to. The criteria here is that I'm going to have at least 0.001 Ethereum in my wallet address. Okay, so I'll just head over there and then complete this thing, and then maybe later come back here and be able to claim this as well too. Okay, so that's, but ensure you claim this Faucet token. Okay, so after you're done with claiming, then you have to come back to the main dashboard. Okay, so now once you come back here, you click on this bridge. Okay, so click on bridge. So you'll be taken to this particular website for you to sign in using your Metamask wallet. So I'll just do this now. Okay, so once you sign in, you then be here. Okay, so now here we are to make swaps. Okay, so we are to move from Sepolia chain to Humanity Protocol chain. Okay, so but for now I can't be able to do this particular transaction because I'm yet to claim the Faucet token. Okay, so I'm still going to go over there and then transfer Ethereum to that particular account and then be able to claim and then head over here to do the swaps. Okay, so just like I said here, we have to make swaps. Okay, just like we did in the first phase. For those that we are, that did the first phase, we did more of swapping there. So here we are also to do that swapping as well to here. So just come over here, swap. Okay, so first claim your token here and then go over here and then do some swaps. Okay, so you have to swap from Sepolia to Humanity Protocol, and then you also swap from the Humanity Protocol back to the Sepolia chain as well too. Okay, so just do as much as you can. Okay, so as you're doing that, we are getting yourself to to be in the right spot for this particular airdrop. Okay, so now next you can also do is to also check the number of swaps that you have done. Okay, so to do that, you just have to come over to this particular place and see the swaps that you have made. So just come over here, click on this. So here we'll be able to see all the the swaps that you have done, the pending ones, the one that have gone. Okay, so just do all those things and and position yourself for this particular testnet. Okay, so now back to this particular place here. So just like I said here, the first thing you have to do here is to claim your Faucet token and then you then head over to bridge and then do some swapping. Okay, so here also we have to complete some other ones here. So aside from the daily claiming here, you can also come over here and then connect your socials as well too. Okay, so once I click here now, I'll be taken to place I have to connect my Telegram, my Discord, my Twitter. Okay, so I'll just click on it. Okay, so I did this thing in my the phase one. So let me check. Okay, now it's still there. Okay, so I did most of these connections in the phase one. Okay, so to ensure that you complete all these things and then you claim the point that are attached to it. Okay, so the other ones here are the ones that are yet to come. Okay, so this one is daily one. Come over here every day and then claim the point. Okay, so so that's basically, so this is the point that I've made so far from the first phase. Okay, so now other ones you can also do here is to come over here, click on this to copy your link. Okay, your referral link, and then share with your friends. So the more you get people to to this particular system, the more you also earn more points as well too. So these other ones is still upcoming. So once they show up, I'll ensure that we all know all about it. Okay, so for now that's basically all for this particular video. So if you have any question, please do it to ask there in the comment section. So if you're yet to support this channel, please do it to support us, subscribe, share and like our video. Okay, so thank you and see you in the next video. Bye.